Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with an update. We planted tomato seedlings today and we also installed drip irrigation. So today we want to talk about the installation of drip irrigation in the greenhouse. Hi Mr. Chatenda.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. So can you please take us through what we went today doing by installing drip irrigation on these beds?
Yeah, initially today we planted our tomatoes, and after planting our tomatoes, we then installed our drip irrigation. So it's now up and running.
It's now up and running. Okay, I'm seeing that all the lines, they are a bit, what can I say, meandering. They are meandering a
like
bit.
it's like a zigzag.
Yes, zigzag. Does that have any effect on the drip, like watering of the drip?
No, the water distribution does not affect anything at all. Because at the end of the day, if you do our drip irrigation, every plant will be able to have enough water at the end of the day.
Okay, so do drip lines differ with distance? We say you buy this one. See, what's the let's say what's the distance between each plant, also between the drip holes?
No, the distance between each plant is 30 centimeters.
It's 30
So
centimeters.
just buy the correct size for tomato plant spacing.
Also, meaning there are other drip lines which may have a bigger.
Yeah, some might have
bigger spaces
for 50 centimeters, 60 centimeters. But those ones we don't use them, it crops now.
How long do you think they will last in this period?
They will last about 3+ years.
3+ years if they are used correctly.
Yeah, if they are used correctly. You have to handle them with care so that they don't be affected at all.
Okay, let's say our water is running every day. Do we have to close them or just keep them running the whole day?
And we have got our own watering timetable. We don't do water our tomatoes every day. So for now we have to skip a day or two. Depends with our temperatures how they are going.
Okay, well that's the timetable. Skip a day or two.
Yeah, it depends now with the temperatures.
So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll be back again with another update.